Stop by and take a look at the 2026 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.